Hello all. As we all know, mixtures is a topic which is a difficult topic for CAT. It's a topic which is equation intensive, but not all questions in mixtures are what are difficult. There are certain questions which can be solved very quickly. And one such example is a question which has a replacement in it. Wherever there's a question of replacement, I'm going to show you how to solve it within 30 seconds. Max to max 30 seconds is what we are going to take to solve this question. Now, for solving this particular questions of replacement, what we first need is the quantity which is not replaced. We can see here there is acid and water. The one which is not replaced is water. So in both the places, I'm going to concentrate on the water ratio. Then the equation that I'm going to use or the shortcut that I'm going to use to solve the replacement question is this formula. I'm having the initial ratio of the quantity which is not replaced. So for the initial ratio, it is 11:4. 4 is for water. So I write 4 divided by the total of the initial mixture, 11 plus 4, that is 15, multiplied by the total mixture was m liters initially. So m liters minus replaced quantity. Replaced quantity is 3 liters. So minus 3 liters that was replaced divided by the total mixture which is m again. This will be equal to the new ratio. New ratio you can see here, it is 4:1. The water have 1 divided by the total of 4 and 1, which is nothing but 5. Now this is the equation that I have. Let's solve it. 5 3s are 15. Then we'll get 4m minus 3 is equal to 3m, which I think gives us directly m is equal to 12. So within 30 seconds, we are able to solve it. The answer will be m liters. Remember this for the replacement type of questions in mixtures. This is a shortcut to do the replacement type. Thank you. That's Anarpa ma'am. I'll see you next time with some more tricks.